Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CompTIA 601. Lesson 05, Operations and Incident Response. In this lesson, we will discuss the operational aspects of cybersecurity, including how to manage security operations and respond to security incidents effectively. 1. Security operations. Security monitoring, monitoring systems and networks for suspicious activity or security breaches. Incident response, developing and implementing plans to respond to security incidents promptly. Vulnerability management, identifying, assessing, and mitigating vulnerabilities in systems and networks. 2. Security controls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, monitoring and preventing unauthorized access to networks. Firewalls, filtering network traffic to prevent unauthorized access and protect against threats. Antivirus software, detecting and removing malware from systems and networks. Security information and event management, SIEM, collecting, correlating, and analyzing security event data to detect and respond to security threats. 3. Incident response process. Preparation, developing an incident response plan and training staff on how to respond to security incidents. Detection and analysis, detecting security incidents and analyzing the scope and impact of the incident. Containment, eradication, and recovery, containing the incident, eradicating the threat, and restoring systems and data to normal operation. Post-incident activities, conducting a post-incident review to identify lessons learned and improve incident response processes. 4. Business continuity and disaster recovery. Business continuity planning, BCP, developing plans to ensure that essential business functions can continue during and after a disaster. Disaster recovery planning, DRP, developing plans to recover and restore IT systems and data after a disaster. 5. Legal and ethical considerations. Compliance, ensuring that security operations comply with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. Ethics, conducting security operations in an ethical manner and respecting the privacy and rights of individuals. By implementing effective security operations and incident response practices, organizations can minimize the impact of security incidents and protect their systems and data from threats.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.